Hi, Kacha subscribers. You're watching the Queen right now. The Queen. Kacha's the Queen.
This week I am collaborating with my friend Christina Muscari from Pretty Distressed, and I'm going to recreate one of her looks that I absolutely adore for the beginners, because this is the look that I used to do when I was starting. What I really love about this look is that it's going to take your outdated furniture and turn into dated furniture with couple simple steps. It's pretty simple to follow this.
I never knew love would come.
So I'm going to start this project by cleaning it really good using white lining.
Oh, I never knew that you would be the one.
I don't like the hardware that is originally on, and I wanted to update a little bit.
Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me.
To follow Christina's video, we need a white color, and I choose Fluff from Dixie Belle.
There's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize?
You see here, I painted over the top where I wanted it to be stained. You can fix that very easily just with a wet cloth.
Find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la. When I think about you, I want la.
This is not like your pure white, completely white. It's like one tone down under that, so very, very pretty white.
When I think about you, I want la all that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look. But it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you.
I use Dixie Mud to close the holes from original hardware.
I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la.
I used 3 coats of white paint because it's white and I wanted that solid coverage.
When I think about you, I feel la. When I think about you, I want la all that time. When I think about you, I feel la. When I think about you, I want la. Yeah. When I think about you, when I think about you, I feel la. When I think about you, I want la all the time.
Once paint was completely dry, I took a step further and decided to distress this piece. Even though Christina didn't do in her video, I wanted my piece, it was calling, to be distressed. I decided to distress it lightly here and there, not so much. I'm using 120 sanding grit paper on my sanding block.
Don't you worry, I'm fine and I got nobody to blame. Do not bother.
I'm distressing corners and the edges, anywhere that wood will naturally age.
I know I was born to do this. All eyes on me. All eyes on me.
How much of this you do, it's completely up to you. If you love the chippy look, you can keep on going. You can use the sanding machine and go all over it, or you can do even less than I did. So it's totally up to you.
Never have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of.
I'm sanding it really lightly, nothing crazy, not so much pressure, just go back and forth with a grain. Always go with a grain when you're sanding wood.
All we've been dreaming of.
I'm using this brush to get rid of all the dust from sanding. Once our paint is dry, we want to use some kind of protection to protect that. I'm going with Easy Peasy Spray Wax by Dixie Belle. Lately, this has been my favorite. It's so easy. It's really easy. You just spray and it's good.
Ground tonight. If we stay together, we will be alright. You need to move closer, dear.
The way you use spray wax is that you spray it all over and then you wait 30 seconds and then you go and you start wiping everything with a clean cloth.
To stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of.
So to follow Christina's video, I'm replacing the hardware and I'm using the cup pull. You can find those cup pulls nowadays everywhere. The cup pulls are very good addition to farmhouse look. Like it just goes together. So white with stained top and distress and cup pulls, it's like, oh my god, like such a good combination. So in her video, Christina used gel stain for her tabletop, and I decided to go with No Pain Gel Stain by Dixie Belle, and I chose walnut color. I've been wanting to try this walnut color, so this was perfect opportunity. Before you get into applying your gel stain, you want to go very light. You just want to go light, all over the piece, nothing crazy.
What you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
The reason you're doing that is just because you want to remove that like varnish that pieces already have. It's very shiny, so you just want to roughen up that.
Is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.
One thing I want to add about this, you can go over factory finish, which is very important. You can sand your piece completely to the bare wood and apply, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So that is the beauty in gel stain.
Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go.
I used Applicator Pad. It's very easy to apply a No Pain Gel Stain, but with Applicator Pad, it's even easier.
This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else.
Once you apply first coat, you will have to wait a minimum 6 hours to apply the second coat. Maybe you're gonna have to wait even more.
It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving.
done with everything, and now it's time to put protection on the top. I'm using clear coat from Dixie Belle, and I'm using this applicator sponge.
So you can go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus.
So this top coat, it's kind of like milky looking when you're applying. Once it's dry, it's really nice. It's like it's not shiny. It's what I love, and it's very durable.
Myself, baby, baby.
So that was it, guys. It was pretty easy, I think. If you think it was easy, leave me a comment below. And if you think that you would like to try this look, also leave me a comment below. Christina and I had so much fun collaborating this 2 weeks. We were preparing this for a long time. We had so much fun. She is going to be guest on the Kacha podcast on Monday. I can't wait to share that with you guys. This collaboration was so fun. Thank you, Christina, for collaborating with me. I love working with you. You're a great friend and you're a great YouTuber and furniture painter. So join us on Monday, and I'm sure you're gonna love our podcast because we love to talk to each other. I am going to leave Christina YouTube in my description, and I'm going to leave you description a link to the video that I was recreating, so you can go and see it for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. So leave a comment, subscribe, like don't forget to subscribe, that's a very important part, and like, and come on Monday podcast and like podcast and comment and subscribe and just like do it all.